Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Finding the smallest difference in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, it's a common task to find the smallest difference between a given number and every element in a list. This can be particularly useful in scenarios such as searching for the nearest value in a dataset or implementing algorithms like the nearest neighbor search. In this tutorial, we'll explore various approaches to accomplish this task with clear and concise Python code examples. Method 1, using a loop. The most straightforward approach is to iterate through each element in the list and calculate the absolute difference between the given number and the current element. Here's a simple example. Method 2, using the min function with a Lambda function. Python's min function can be employed with a Lambda function to achieve the same result more concisely. Method 3, sorting the list. Another approach involves sorting the list and then finding the minimum difference by comparing adjacent elements. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored 3 different methods to find the smallest difference between a given number and every element in a list. Each method has its advantages and may be suitable for different scenarios. Depending on the size of your dataset and the specific requirements of your task, you can choose the approach that best fits your needs. Experiment with these methods and integrate them into your Python projects as needed. ChatGPT. Certainly. Finding the smallest difference between a given number and every element in a list in Python can be achieved through a simple algorithm. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. You want to find the smallest absolute difference between a given number and every element in a list. To solve this problem, you can iterate through each element in the list and calculate the absolute difference between the given number and each element. Keep track of the smallest difference encountered during the iteration. In this example, the function find_smallest_difference takes a given number and a list of numbers as input. It iterates through each element in the list, calculates the absolute difference, and updates the smallest difference encountered so far. The final result is the smallest difference found. You can modify the function according to your specific requirements. For example, if you need to return the element in the list that has the smallest difference, you can also keep track of that element during the iteration. This tutorial provides a simple and efficient way to find the smallest difference between a given number and every element in a list using Python. The provided code and steps can be customized to fit various scenarios and requirements. ChatGPT.